Changing system sounds in Windows is simple with the built-in tool, but altering the startup sounds require extra steps, which we will show exactly how to do. Now to make this change, what you would need to do first is to install Resource Hacker by opening this link on the browser, then click Download. Now once downloaded, open Resource Hacker, go to File tab, select Open, finally click on the DLL file. Now in here, expand the WAV folder on the left, then right-click on the first folder, choose Replace Resource, choose Select File, select the WAV file you want to use as a startup sound. Now to use one of the audio files that comes with Windows, you have to take note that it has to be a WAV file. Then select Replace in the Resource Hacker. Now to preview the file you chose, select Play WAV. Then, you have to save it to the desktop folder and then don't change the name of the file. Once all of that are done, open Settings, click System, choose Recovery, then choose Restart Now. Now if you see a prompt about saving your work, take note of what it says, then select Restart Now. Now in here, you have to go to Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, then choose Command Prompt on the ASO menu. Now when the command prompt opens, you have to type these commands exactly as they're written here, then press Enter after each one. After that, copy the edited file into the place by listing first the users, find your username, change the directory to your desktop, or where you saved the edited file. Now if this is successful, you will see a notification that says 1 file's copied. Now after doing all of that, exit the command prompt, choose Continue to boot back into Windows, then test the startup sound. Now that's how you can change the startup sound in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.